So you can't get your Acuvue Oasys lenses. You need them and you don't know what to do. I'm gonna tell you, stick around. So you need your Acuvue Oasys lenses, whether they're for astigmatism or not, and you can't get them. Your doctor's telling you they're back ordered, you can't find them online, that you can get them soon. This problem looks like it's just gonna get worse before it gets better. We've had problems getting Oasys lenses as far back as December 1st, and they just keep pushing out the date. It's not rare or tough to find powers anymore. It's everything. So you want to know what to do? I'm going to tell you. Your doctor will probably tell you too, but I'm going to give you the best advice that I'm giving my patients when they're running out. J&J is like, I don't know, maybe giving up in the contact world. I have no idea. If I was an investor, I would sell their stock short, but I'm not. But here's what I would do for you. When I have a patient who's in the Oasys lenses, I'll always ask them, are you getting low? And they're like, I'm on my last pair and they're not comfortable. I need to get a new pair. I move them over to this. It's the Alcon Total 30 lens. It's now available for astigmatism, so that's another great option, which is probably going to be one of my next videos coming up on the best monthly lens for astigmatism. It is now the Total 30. But ask your doctor for a pair. Don't just jump in and order them. Find out if you really like them. But I'm telling you, you're going to. And I'm telling you, you're going to like them better than the Oasys anyway. So it's not like we're in a horrible position here. 5 years ago, it would have been tough. You would have had to wait it out. But now you don't. You want the Alcon Total 30 lens. It should come in your power. Most of the powers that Oasys is available in, the Total 30 is available in. And Alcon's not having any problem with back orders. Matter of fact, they're just making a lot more money because J&J has fallen flat on their face. So if you're in that predicament, this is what you want to do. Take care.